Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video. And today's video, as you guys can see, it's a super bold look. It is half silver, half blue butterfly locks with diamond parts. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys subscribe, share, like, comment, do all of it. Okay, and we're gonna jump into this video. Okay, so like I said, I'm just doing the diamond parts. I already did the back of her hair. Here I am just going to do the sides of the part. I do use a shine and jam for the parting. If you are a subscriber that's been subscribed for a while, you know that's what I always like to use. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the shine and jam on the parts, smooth the roots out with a comb, and just keep braiding, plaiting the hair. If the hair is too short, you can add braiding hair to it, or if the hair is way too slippery, like the client is to relax, then you can add, you know, some type of hair to it to make it a little bit more kinkier. Okay, so I end up using 8 packs of hair. Honestly, a little less than 8 packs of some water wave hair. It's not free tress, it was some type of random brand, honestly, but we seen the color, we see it was water wave, and we decided to get it. Okay, she wanted something different for her birthday, and she always typically do colors and things like that, which I really love because my clients be so scared of color, y'all, you know. So yeah, so she decided to do this color half and half. I think it turned out super bomb or whatever, you know, if I do say so myself. Okay. But yeah, so I used almost 8 packs of hair, 4 packs of the silver and 4 packs of the blue. The brand, like I said, it doesn't really matter. However, when you want color, different brands will have different options of color because of the simple fact that, you know, some brands just have the standard colors, the burgundy, the blondes, the browns, the blacks, and that's about it. But this brand, if I can find the brand, I will put the link in the description box below to see if you can order online. However, we did buy it from the hair store. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going to just start off with half of the head, or most of the head, just kind of, you know, doing the silver color. And I'm just going to do it like I normally do, guys. I crochet through the roots and just continually put my thumb into the lock to create the butterfly loops. And then I just wrap around that and put the thumb through, create the butterfly loop, wrap around. When I get back to where I put the loop on, I'm going to start another loop. So I'm always creating a loop, okay? Always. Like every time I'm wrapping back around, I'm already putting my thumb again for another loop, okay? So that makes it super bubbly and super have like those super butterfly loops throughout the lock, okay? So they're distressed, but they're super textured as well. If you keep waiting and, you know, maybe put your thumb through a few times, it's going to be distressed, but it won't be a butterfly look, okay? So I just keep on going. So per strand, so for the back of the head, I use 2.5 pieces of the water wave hair. And then when I start getting to the top, because you have to make the locks longer to reach the mid back, I am using 3 strands of hair when I start getting to the top in the middle, okay? So that's just something that you want to take into consideration. Every lock may not have the exact same number of hair in each one of them, okay? So you just kind of have to deviate, you know, how much hair you need, and not try to waste hair, you know, because if she only needed 2.5 pieces per lock and I'm putting 3 pieces and I'm just cutting off the extra, you're wasting pieces of hair, you know. So you want to make sure that, okay, if you only have a little bit of hair left, you're not going to want to use a whole strand of hair, okay? So just cut it in half, use that half piece, and save that half piece for the next lock, okay? So yeah, y'all, so I'm just showing you guys how I did it. Like I said, I did half the head in silver, half the head in the color blue. So yeah, and for some of them I did sew with nail glue, and some of them I didn't, okay? So if I accidentally maybe use a blunt piece that I cut and I'm using that part to wrap, you're not going to be able to just kind of go without the glue, because the hair will have such a blunt end where it's not going to wrap and stay, okay? So for those pieces, I do use the nail glue to keep that hair in formation, okay? But for the most part, you really don't need to use the nail glue. So yeah, And a lot of people finish their hair off with mousse. I honestly don't know the purpose of that. I really don't know the purpose of using mousse for hair for the locks, because I was thinking, or what I experienced using mousse with braided styles is to lay the hair down. I don't know why you would want to lay the hair down if you're creating texture in the hair. I don't know, maybe because it's synthetic hair, that's what people want to use. I'm not really too much sure, y'all. I'm be honest with y'all, so I don't know. So yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on doing that for the most part, and then I'm going to start with the blue and just literally do the same concept, crochet it through and put my thumb through every single time. Now it's important to kind of wrap tight and secure, especially when you're creating all these loops, because you don't want the hair to just kind of slide down or whatever. So yeah, so like I said, I'm just adding hair as time go by, and when I start running out, just add more hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys basically watch this video. Whenever I end it, I always just put oil in their scalp. I don't do the mousse, and I do their edges, and that's basically about it, y'all. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped a little bit, and I hope, okay, that you guys subscribe and like this video and everything like that. I hope you learned a little something. And yeah, I love y'all. I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotty. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. But you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry.
Yeah, yo.
This far, I'm not sorry.
I don't even think this is even healthy. Everybody mad cause I'm getting selfish. Why you really mad? Cause I copped a two-seater. And it's me, myself, and I, and it's too many people down. I just saw the movie like it's belly ache. I'm too busy eating, got a belly ache. Ooh, I just want my cheese kinda shredded. Wait, maybe we can celebrate. I just hit 11 straight. Ayy, I'm a bottom man, so I might just go to God. It's a lane poppin', so I might just show my pockets. Tell me what you learn from a nigga, what you earn from a nigga. I just grow up, baby, blossom. Yeah, hold on. They ain't ready like they gotta put their clothes on. It's the best time of my life. Cause a nigga was depressed, but now I'm living right, yeah.
See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotty. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. But you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. Made it this far. I'm not sorry. My folks try to stop me out, but I'm a young rose in the concrete out. I get it. I go young Russell. See me flip on the back to $1 million. Wonder why I bought so hard. I'm the only young Jake from the block. I'ma need dark brown in my shop. Blowing up, I'm a monster. 'Cause I don't need your doubts. I'ma stay 10 toes down. Look how I rose from the ground. And none of these hoes know they can take it. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotty. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry.